Now we are going to discuss about Newton's law of universal gravitation. As per the Newton law of universal gravitation, every body in the universe always used to attract with each other. And the law of universal gravitation states that every body in the universe always used to attract with each other, and the force, gravitational force, which is acting in between the two bodies is directly proportional to the product of two masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Here I am going to take two bodies. Let us take mass of the first body as m1. This is the center point of this body, and let us take mass of the second body as m2, and center point for this is this. These two bodies are separated by some distance. Let us take the distance between the two bodies as r. So here, in everywhere in the universe, gravitational force will act in between any two bodies. Here, the force which is exerted by the first body on the second is, let us take F1. And second body will also apply some external force on the first body, that is F2. So as per the statement, we can write the gravitational force is always directly proportional to the product of these two masses. Mass of the first body is m1 and mass of the second body is m2. So that we can write F is directly proportional to m1 and m2. And gravitational force is always inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two objects. Here these two bodies, m1 and m2 bodies, are separated by the distance r. So attraction force which is acting in between the two bodies is always inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two things. So F is proportional to 1 by r square. From these two equations we can write F from 1 and 2, what we are writing from 1 and 2, we are writing F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. F equal to, we can write G m1 m2 by r square. This is Newton's law of universal gravitation. Here F is gravitational force and G is, here G is nothing but universal gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. And m1 is the mass of the first body, m2 is the mass of the second body, and r is the distance between the two bodies. Let us go for universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, capital G. So to write formula for that, we can write here G is equal to F r square by m1 m2. And universal gravitational constant value is, its value is, G value is 6.67 into 10 power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. And dimensional formula for the universal gravitational constant is m power of minus 1, L cube, L power of 3 and T power of minus 2.